Okay.
Happy birthday, Batchoy! Happy birthday! Dito sa camera! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Isa pa! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Erin! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Isa pa! Happy birthday, Erin! Aba, nag-blow na ba? Ayan ang aming celebration. Kahit simple lang, gumawa kami ng brasos dyan. Meron kaming spaghetti with meatballs, kasaba, fried chicken, muffins. Yan. Wala pa yung baby back ribs, niluto pa. Yan, may audience pa kaming tulog. Ayun o, tulog. Yan. Kaya man nagpasaway. Hindi na makagwanta sa kanto ko, natulog na. Ayan, natulugan na sa isang pasaway. Ayan, nakanta pa ta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hindi na kagwanta sa gutom. Nagkuha na sa mapping. Ayan, kahit simple lang, na-celebrate namin ang birthday ni Erin.
4 years old na si Tabacho.
Mag-Disneyland naman kami. Ayan, 4 years old. Okay, bye-bye.